how to reach your weight goal by including high quality protein from milk and dairy foods. Milk is constantly mentioned as the top quality source of protein, cheese, and yogurt. Why is that? Because they all have high quality protein with the 9 essential amino acids at the right quantities to help your body utilize them more efficiently. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite breakfasts, a Greek yogurt mango smoothie bowl. First of all, you need to make the base mango yogurt, some protein powder first. You do not want to use a lot of fluid, otherwise this will become a smoothie. You see that? Very thick. And there you go, my friends, you have your smoothie bowl.